bike. This is my bike. I have S&M Credence bars. They're 8.7 by 29. I have ODI grips. They're nice. I've got a Mutiny lifted XL stem, I think. I've got a Colt fucking headset. I've got BSD Ghetto V3 forks. Look at my face. V3 forks. I have a Colt match front wheel. Colt match. I have a Colt fucking hub guard. And I have a Colt butter fucking peg. And oh yeah, I got a BSD beverage foam. Look at my face. I got fucking BSD substance cranks and Colt pedals. Colt member V2 sprocket, fly tractor chain, Colt match back wheel. Look at my face. I got a Colony seat post and a BSD beverage seat. It's brown, by the way. I've got the same peg, same hub guard on the back. And then I got BSD Donna Squeak front and back. Bottom bracket. Who cares about that?
Strictly. Is that all?
That's all.
Okay.
Look at my face. Look at my face.